Hey there, you remember this flight? And that props? This is the same quad, just with a different firmware and different preset, but the same props, just bent back. So let's see how this works. Way too much fun. This was a nice one. By the way, motors were incredibly cool, so I think I can go with the filters and the prop wash performance even more and even better. So nice preset, dude.